Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English grammar exercise page number 98. Students, now let us start part D. Change the following sentences first into negative and then into questions. First of all, example, she is eating a meal. Negative sentence, she is not eating a meal. Interrogative sentence, is she eating a meal? Next, number 1 पे sentence है, he is learning his lesson by heart. Negative sentence, he is not learning his lesson by heart. Interrogative sentence, is he learning his lesson by heart? Next, number 2 पर sentence है, we are having tea. Negative sentence, we are not having tea. Interrogative sentence, are we having tea? Next, number 3 पर sentence है, the laborers are carrying hoes. Negative sentence, the laborers are not carrying hoes. Interrogative sentence, are the laborers carrying hoes? Next, number 4 पर sentence है, she is riding a bicycle. Negative sentence, she is not riding a bicycle. Interrogative sentence, is she riding a bicycle? Next, number 5 पर sentence है, they are singing a melodious song. Negative sentence, they are not singing a melodious song. Interrogative sentence, are they singing a melodious song? Next, number 6 पर sentence है, the doctor is examining the patients in his clinic. Negative sentence, the doctor is not examining the patients in his clinic. Interrogative sentence, is the doctor examining the patients in his clinic? Next, number 7 पर sentence है, I am purchasing my dresses. Negative sentence, I am not purchasing my dresses. Interrogative sentence, am I purchasing my dresses? Next, number 8 पर sentence है, the children are playing carom. Negative sentence, the children are not playing carom. Interrogative sentence, are the children playing carom? Next, number 9 पर sentence है, she is doing her homework. Negative sentence, she is not doing her homework. Interrogative sentence, is she doing her homework? Next, number 10 पर sentence है, she is eating food. Negative sentence, she is not eating food. Interrogative sentence, is she eating food? Students, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. I hope you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.